Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Today we're going to be making apple, carrot and cucumber juice. First of all, I will add all my ingredients into my juice mixer. After I've done that, I will now get this nice, bright, beautiful orange juice color. You can also strain this to get out all the bits if you don't want them. The health benefits of carrots are: it's a good source of getting beta carotene into your body and also good for fiber. The cucumber promotes hydration and can benefit weight loss. The apples are part of your 5-a-day. Once I finish, I will now be serving it into this nice cup. And I'll be having one slice of cucumber with it. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.